Hi there, I'm up at the storage yard. I've come along today because we're getting the snagging list completed by our Caravan dealership, and there's a few things that we put into the Caravan which we now need to take out of Hayley the Bailey so we can get the snagging list completed. Watch me do it. Open. Let's have a look. We always store our steps in here. What do you do? Do you put them somewhere else? Do you put them underneath your caravan, or I'm just not sure where. Let's have a look. Right, so shades are down. Looks a bit darker in here now, a bit more subdued with the cushions turned the other way. We have microfiber towels which we just store on these shelves next to the toilet with the toilet roll. I think I'm just going to leave those. I don't think I need to take those with me. Right, in these shelves we've just got some little bags for toothbrushes and toothpaste, which I think they can just stay in those shelves. I think they'll be fine. Right, so we've just piled all of the bedding onto this fixed bed for now. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to bundle that all up and put that in the car, so when they are trying to get underneath the fixed bed, the French bed, to do anything, they don't have an issue. There's nothing in the way for them. So these are the little storage containers which we've got. They're just really lightweight, just like a little canvas. I've got a little view window through here, so they're quite good, but they are pretty deep and they're lovely little cubes, and it's possible to zip up. So I'm going to put all of our bedding in here. Right, so I've got the topper. Well, that's a topper in there. And pillowcase. So it easily fits a topper and a pillowcase in and still zips up. I'm going to be a bit cheeky and see if I can get another pillow in as well. Yeah, looks like that fits absolutely fine. So topper with sheet on and 2 pillows. Squish it down. Goes absolutely fine in there. You know what's in there as well, which is great, and that keeps it dust free, and I'll just take that home. I don't know about you, but it's like having another child having a caravan, because you're constantly buying stuff for it. So these are a few things that we bought for the caravan. I'm just going to show you how we're going to use them. So this is one of my purchases I've just done recently. Now, if you struggle with shoes in doorway like we do, I purchased one of these, about £10, and you just fit it together yourself. It is dead light, and I'm going to store it. I was thinking of storing it just there. I don't know, maybe I use it in the awning, I don't know. It doesn't take up any more room, and it's still quite easy to get past here. So I'm thinking that might work there, and just use it in the awning when necessary. At bedtime, at night time, could always just move it towards the doorway here. You can still get by. But it just gives you, you know, some storage for your shoes in there, which I think could be quite useful. So that one seems to fit in the space. I'm quite pleased with that purchase. It just really snugly fits in there. The other thing I purchased is one of these squidgies for the shower. I know you can just wipe the shower door off, but it's really lightweight and dead easy, and I just thought we're just going to get one of those for the Caravan shower as well, just once you've had your shower, just to get all the water off, not rainwater but the water off from your shower, and not leave any marks or those watermarks that you get from the water drops. So the other thing I purchased is I purchased this like little lightweight bin, which is a lid bin with handle, and it can be hooked on. It doesn't have an attachment on the back for you to be able to, just there for you to be able to like hook it on the side here. But I was just thinking, just to have in here, it's quite easy, and it's just going to put in little scraps. Can either have it in the kitchen when I'm cooking, rather than just keep going out to the bin every time I just want to put a few things away. This is almost like a little caddy that I can just put little bits of waste in and then just take it out once it's full. But it fits real snug in there. It's not an issue in there at all. Completely forgot to mention, but I did actually purchase some like little baskets, which I'm just going to go try out in the Caravan now to see if they fit in. They're various different sizes, and obviously there's an orange in there. Wouldn't be our Caravan without a bit of retro colours in there. But they're all different sizes, so I'm just going to give those a try in the Caravan. Voila. And kind of just see if they fit in the cupboards and where they fit. Interesting enough, the largest size actually does fit quite snugly in here. So an option, if I wanted just to have something to store in there, I could use one of those maybe. Not really the right colour, I would have preferred like a grey colour in there. Let's have a look in these cupboards up here. So up here I normally store like tea, coffee and stuff, and the containers that I was using did really work in the old Caravan, but don't really seem to work here. So I've got like this long container, which is quite good for like sweets and things, but I couldn't fit that in lengthways. It was just a little bit, as you can see here, it's a little bit too long here, so I was having to put it in that way, which was using a lot of space. So I'm just going to see if these actually fit a little bit better. Let's have a look. So having a little look, the two larger containers fit in, and one of the medium-sized containers fits in there. So that works out quite well. I do have the handy grabs here as well, which are quite good. Yeah, I think they're a success in there. Right, similarly in the bottom one, I could put two of the large ones and one of the medium ones there, but I was just wondering maybe if the smaller ones might work out, or the medium ones might work out better. So that's with the three medium ones. I kind of think I prefer those. They don't stand as tall. I can kind of see what's in them a little bit better. And just for example, if I were stacking cereal up, they stack in pretty well, and it's quite easy to get them out just with a grab here. Yes, there's also a little bit of room down the side if you want to put some carry bags or something like that. They could just, or tissue or something, they can just fit down the side there, no problem. So having a little look then, definitely feel like that cupboard now just looks much better already. Not just because it's got some orange in, but just I think those containers just make all the difference. You seem to smarten it up a bit and just keep everything a bit more organised. So having a look in this cupboard, this one actually doesn't have a plate store or a cup store, which other Caravans do normally come with. I guess it means the space is flexible to use as you need. It is, however, you know, the one that's over the cooker, so I've decided I've put the bowls in the other large container that I've got and stacked the cups at the back, which have worked quite well. We then purchased one of these little plastic plate store racks, and I'm going to put the plates in, see how that looks. Right, so as you can see, that's really smartened up the cupboard now. We've got all our plates in, they stack up. We do only carry 3 large plates and 3 smaller plates, 3 bowls and 3 cups, because there's only 3 of us. But as you can see, there is a bit more storage if you did want to put a few more plates in. So you go all the sweets in there. Wasn't quite sure where to put the kitchen roll. I know some people have got them like on stands there. like where they hang down. We normally keep ours on the top. We've also got some spare glasses which are plastic, but we've actually retired, so we just keep them up there for now to work out where we're going to put them. Wasn't sure as well where to put the foil. I've just fitted it in the front there. You can't see it when it's in the cupboard, but it just stores it at the front, stops the boxes from moving. Just as a note, in the antenna cupboard, you can actually put those baskets in this way. They do have like a bit of a sloping lip there, so you can get things out. Or you can keep them this way, but they do fit it in. This though stops the other one from going in, so you would maybe need to put a medium next to that. I don't think it's quite as wide there, but you could put a small one maybe there, or there with maybe some like little cables in or something, or maybe keys if you keep your keys there. Outside the shower we do have this really nice mat which I've just put a big footprint on, but it's a really nice like velour kind of like material, and we got that from Asda. It was only a few quid, about £3, but it's really good. It fits really nice in that space, and on the back it's got like that sort of rubberized texture on the back which stops it from slipping, so it's pretty good. I did drop some makeup on it though, so it's got a bit of a mark, so I do need to wipe that off. Right, I guess I should probably take that mat with me, shouldn't I? So I'll pack that away, but I'll leave the rubberised one in the shower tray in there because that's going to be changed anyway. Oh, hello. Didn't see you were still filming. Yep, quarter time to left locks it. Brilliant, well done. Well done me. Might help though if I'd actually bothered to put away the steps before I'd lock the caravan. Whoops. Right, that's that then. Caravan cleared out. Checked all the baskets, see they're fitted, which is good. All ready now to go in for the snagging list. Fingers crossed to get it fixed before our holiday. So as you can see, this cupboard didn't actually come with a plate store or a cup store. Oh Bailey, you could have done that. It wouldn't have added on too much weight or cost. Come on now.